In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to mobile view and open the page layout optimizer in Wix Editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure your website project is already loaded inside the Wix Editor. You want to be inside the main editing workspace where you can see your template structure and overall page layout. This is the area where you manage the design and positioning of your site content. So take a moment to confirm that everything has fully loaded before moving on. Once you're in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the top section of the screen. Along the header bar, you'll find a shortcut labeled for switching views. Look for the switch to mobile icon positioned near the center of that top tracking bar. This tool allows you to move from the desktop editing experience into the mobile version of your site, which is useful when you want to check responsiveness and make sure your content is arranged properly for smaller screens. Go ahead and click the switch to mobile icon. After selecting it, the editor will change from the standard desktop layout to the mobile workspace. Give the interface a moment to update if needed. You should now be seeing the mobile editing environment, where elements may appear stacked or resized to better fit a phone display. This view helps you review how your visitors are likely to experience the site on mobile devices. Next, move your focus to the left-hand side of the workspace. Along the sidebar, you'll see a series of tools and menu options related to page editing and layout controls. Find the Page Layout Optimizer menu button in that left sidebar track. This is the option you'll use to access layout adjustment tools designed to help improve structure and spacing within the mobile view. Click the Page Layout Optimizer button to open it. Once selected, the Optimizer panel should appear, giving you access to layout-focused controls within the editor. At this point, you've successfully opened your website template structure workspace in Wix Editor, switched into mobile view, and accessed the Page Layout Optimizer from the sidebar. As a quick tip, if anything doesn't appear where expected, make sure your browser window is fully expanded and that the Wix Editor has finished loading. Interface tools can sometimes shift slightly depending on zoom level or screen size. So keeping your display clear and organized can make navigation much easier. That's it for this process, and you're now ready to continue working inside the mobile layout tools in Wix.